This is how the saw usually works. Okay. Hi. It's about 2 hours later and I made about 16 cuts on this piece of elm right here. It's about 1.5 inches thick. And look how the saw's running now. It's not running right at all. There's no way that's going fast enough. I don't know what's wrong with it. Listen to it. Start up. It kind of takes it a while to get going, and even when it gets going, it's not going fast enough. That's just weak. Yesterday it happened to me, same circumstances, and it messed up and kicked back a piece of wood, and it broke my, whatever this piece is. See, it's got a little nick in it there, and it broke this end off. So I don't know what's wrong with it.